So in this particular example, you have seen that we are importing shapes module. Okay, so shapes module has this object. This object is a function draw underscore square. It also has draw underscore rect function, which we haven't used. Similarly, in math module, when you import math, there are like plenty of other functions which we do not use. So while importing everything in your module, you are just increasing the application size, your application size, while you're not using those things. Okay, so instead of importing everything, we can import specific things what we need. How we can do that is using the from approach. So from the module name shapes, import only draw underscore square. So this is the object that I am importing from this thing. Okay, so this is how I can import any specific object within the module. And we can also import multiple items by separating them with the comma. So draw underscore square comma CR. So both of them are used in our main file. Okay, so once we follow this approach from shapes import draw underscore square CR, I do not need to use the dot notation. So it acts like this thing exists in my main file. So I would just use draw underscore square or CR directly rather than writing shapes dot draw underscore square or shapes dot CR. Okay, make sense? So from shapes, we have already specified we are importing this, so we can directly call them without specifying shapes dot the entire thing. Also, we can also import other items like all items using from shapes import this asterisk. So what is the difference between import shapes and from shapes import asterisk? So import shapes assume that shape is already located in the same directory where your main file is located, but here in this case it may be placed in some other directory. Okay, so you can specify the file path from, for example, abc dot shapes and import everything. Okay,